What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Crypto Novice, your number one source for everything in the world of cryptocurrency news. We're on AMB Crypto here today. We're talking about this Bitcoin metric reaching a 2023 high and what is going to be coming up next. But before we get into the video, as always, I just want to say that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence and research before you invest. And remember, these videos are for educational purposes only. Please keep leaving comments and help us educate people in the world of cryptocurrency, as we're all on this educational journey together. So your input is value, provided it is positive. Any negative comments will be removed. By the way, if you're new to the Crypto Novice, hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on the bell for all notifications. So this Bitcoin metric has reached a 2023 high. So what's going to happen next? Interestingly enough, an on-chain metric of Bitcoin reached an overheated value due to the rising prices in recent weeks. Now, the inference was that the Bitcoin network was valued at a premium and pointed to a potential over-evaluation of BTC. Now, AMBC Crypto found that the metric derived from the network value to transaction ratio, or NVT for short, had jumped to levels that usually indicated a market top. However, one metric alone does not fully explain the whole picture. Thus, AMB Crypto decided to investigate deeper. The NVT Golden Cross and what it means for investors. CryptoQuant calculates that the NVT Golden Cross by comparing the short-term and long-term trends of the NVT. A reading of 2.2 or greater is generally associated with an overpriced network, and users can expect a reversal to the mean. In the past 2 years, even though the metric has climbed above 2.2 multiple times, it has not coincided with an ATH for BTC prices. Rather, it pointed toward high network activity in a relatively short amount of time, as you can see on this chart right here. It is meant to raise a note of caution in the minds of traders and investors, as it warns of possible price correction to follow. The soaring transaction fee that AMB Crypto reported earlier this week was a sure indication of the vast increase of the total value of transactions, a component of the NVT calculation. This meant that we would expect to see a major increase in the number of active addresses. A lack of such would be an uptrend, would mean that the BTC prices, this came alongside rising prices, and the conclusion was that user activity has indeed exploded in recent weeks. So in turn, this caused a swift bump in the short-term NVT. So what's the bigger picture for Bitcoin investors? Well, as we have mentioned already, an NVT Golden Cross value of 2.2 or greater is generally a local top. Now, multi-year holders of BTC need not panic or sell their holdings. Instead, they could wait for the metric to descend below 1.6% before buying. Of course, using other metrics and news developments would mean and aid investors further in making decisions. To help these along, midterm holders, AMBC Crypto took a look at the MVRV ratio for the past 3 years. This metric reached a low of 0.75% on the 9th of November, showing that the asset was dramatically undervalued. In the wake of fear around the FTX collapse. Since then, the metric has crept higher and higher. The rising MRV and NVT metrics of the past couple of months meant that Bitcoin has been a strong uptrend by organic activity. So it's been in a strong uptrend. However, the MVRV ratio, as calculated on the CryptoQuant chart above, was nowhere near 3.7 in the past. So this reading has been one of the signs that the market had topped. Yet it cannot be guaranteed to capture the next market top accurately. Therefore, long-term holders can continue to hold or accumulate Bitcoin or wait for the run to continue over the next year or two. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Keep commenting, keep educating people to make smart financial decisions positively. Happy New Year. We'll see you in the next video.